Join me as I challenge myself to brew the perfect cup of Lapsang Souchong tea in just minutes. Lapsang Souchong tea, with its distinct smoky flavor and rich aroma, has been gaining popularity among tea enthusiasts worldwide. This Chinese black tea is unique due to its production process, where the leaves are dried over pinewood fires, giving it a distinctive taste that's both refreshing and invigorating. One of the biggest hurdles people face when brewing Lapsang Souchong is getting it just right. The temperature, steeping time, and even the quality of the tea leaves can make or break the experience. If the water is too hot, it can burn the leaves, leading to a bitter taste. On the other hand, if it's too cold, the tea might end up tasting flat. And then there's the steeping time, too short, and it's weak, too long, and it becomes overpowering. Achieving that perfect balance is what sets apart a good cup of Lapsang Souchong from a great one. Many people also struggle with the right amount of tea leaves to use. Using too little can result in a weak brew, while too much can make it overwhelming. The type of water used can also affect the taste. Tap water with high mineral content can alter the flavor profile of the tea. Lastly, the vessel used for brewing, whether it's a teapot or a gaiwan, can influence how the tea unfurls its flavors. To brew Lapsang Souchong like a pro, start by warming your teapot with a little hot water. This ensures that the tea leaves unfurl evenly. Use about 1 teaspoon of loose-leaf Lapsang Souchong for every 8 ounces of water. The ideal water temperature for brewing Lapsang Souchong is between 200 degrees Fahrenheit and 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Steep the tea for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your desired strength. As you pour the hot water over the leaves, you'll start to notice the aroma filling the air. The anticipation builds up to that moment when you take your first sip. The rich, smoky flavors combined with the smooth, velvety texture make for a truly satisfying experience. When brewing Lapsang Souchong, it's all about finding that sweet spot where every element comes together in harmony. The moment of truth arrives when you lift the lid off your teapot, and the fragrance of perfectly brewed Lapsang Souchong greets you. The tea pours out with a beautiful, dark amber color, inviting you to take a sip. As the liquid touches your lips, the smoky notes transport you to the rolling hills of China where the tea originated. The satisfaction of brewing Lapsang Souchong to perfection is unmatched. It's not just about following a set of instructions, it's an experience that engages your senses. With every sip, you're reminded of why this tea is cherished by so many around the world. In brewing Lapsang Souchong, it's all about balance and patience. To recap, use the right water temperature, the correct amount of tea leaves, and steep it for just the right amount of time. When done correctly, Lapsang Souchong offers a unique taste experience that's both smoky and smooth, with a depth of flavor that's hard to find elsewhere. If you're a fellow tea enthusiast, I'd love to hear about your experiences with Lapsang Souchong in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other tea-related videos for more tips and recipes on how to elevate your tea game.